Okay, so I talked about the first way of how to identify a key. Now, the second way is something called finding the key code and looking that up. And so what that is, if you can see right here, right there, it shows SC1. Sorry, it's a little blurry, won't get in focus. But that's the name of the key, or the brand, the model of the key, I guess. But that will actually allow you to look up the key blanks and find the key that you need to cut. Here, this one's an SC1. It's one of the most popular keys that you're going to cut. It's a door key. And you basically look at the customer's key and you identify the key code. And then from that, you find the key blank and you go ahead and you cut the key. You also want to do a visual inspection, or like in visual identification, you want to be able to see if the blade is the same. If the blade is the same, then that means you'll be able to cut the key. But sometimes customers will have keys that have the key code or the key name on it, and that makes it really easy to be able to look up the key blank so that you know which one you're cutting. So that's the second way of identifying a key. That's if you're sort of lucky. Not all customer keys are going to have that identification on it. In that case, and if you can do a visual identification, then you need to move on to the third way of identifying a key. And not all locksmiths have this, but this is a cool little tool that actually helps identifying a key, and we'll talk about that in the next section.